I'm getting hungry. Hey, Mr. Witt, can you make us something to eat? Sure. What would you guys like to eat? I want lasagna. I want soup. No, lasagna. No, soup. Lasagna. Soup. Lasagna. Soup. How about we compromise with lasagna soup? Sounds good to me. Me too. All right, lasagna soup coming right up. To start off with, we have our ingredients. We have some Italian sausage, some diced tomatoes, chicken broth unsalted, a jar of spaghetti sauce, some bow tie pasta, some Italian seasoning, and an onion. If you don't like large chunks of tomato, you can put them in the blender first. Set your Instant Pot to saute, and then place your Italian sausage inside to brown it. Remember to remove the paper. Once you finish cooking your Italian sausage, you can use a paper towel to dab out some of the grease. Then you can proceed to put in all of your ingredients. I find it helpful to use the chicken broth to get out the last bit of the spaghetti sauce. Then place your lid back onto your Instant Pot. Make sure your release valve is set to sealing. Then you select soup for 4 minutes on high pressure. After it's finished cooking, let it sit for 10 minutes. Then do a quick release. Watch out for spray. Do not open the lid until the indicator drops down, showing that it is safe to open. Enjoy your soup. Thank you, Mr. Witt. That lasagna soup looks amazing. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Oh sure, don't ask me what I want to eat. I'm no one important, just one of the main 3 who's been here from the very beginning. Why should I have a say in what we eat?